एवरीवन, आई सार्थक चौहान। क्या बोलते हैं सुने। So hello everyone, I Sarthak Chauhan back with a new video on the topic of regression modeling in data science. Regression analysis is a statistical technique used to model and the relationship between the dependent variable and one more independent variable. This presentation will explore the key concepts of regression modeling. Now let's start. In first, we understand about regression modeling. So, regression modeling is a type of supervised machine learning used to predict and continuous numerical value based on one or more inputs features. It establishes a relationship between independent target and independent predictor variables. The main goal is to find the best fitting lines or curves that represent this relationship makes accurate predictions. There are many types of regressions like linear regressions, multiple linear regressions, polynomial regressions, logistic regressions, right and lasso regressions. So we discussed about three, which are linear regressions, logistic regressions, and polynomial regressions. So a linear regression. Linear regression is a simple and widely used technique that assumes a linear relationship between variables. It is a simple and most common regression methods. It assumes a linear relationship between the dependent and independent variable. Example, predicting house price based on a square feet. Now, the second one is logistic regression. We understand about linear regression. Let's understand about logistic regression. So, logistic regressions used for predicting binary outcomes means 0 or 1, such as whether a customer will purchase a product or not. Although regression, it's used for classification tasks like binary outcomes like 0, 1 or true or false. Like predicting whether I buy a product yes or no. Now, the last one is polynomial regressions. So polynomial regressions allow for a non-linear relationship between variables, and by introducing polynomial, it is used when the relationship between variables is non-linear. It fits a polynomial equation to the data. Example, modeling stock price with a non-linear trend. Now, estimating and model evolution. So, estimation, evolution, and model evolution involves in data science. Estimations and model evaluations are critical steps in developing, refining, and improving predictive models. This process helps ensure that the model delivers accurate, reliable predictions and adapts to change data over time. Now let's discuss about estimation. What is estimation? Estimations refer to the process of calculating model parameters based on the data in the context of regressions. This involves determining the best fitting parameters. Example, coefficients in linear regressions that minimize the error between the predicted and the actual values. These are the values that the model learned during training. A function that measures how well a model predictions match the actual data, which is loss functions, and optimizations estimate often when uses optimizations algorithm to minimize the loss functions and find the best parameters. Now, the model evolutions. Model evolutions refers to the continuous improvement and updating of a model over. This is important because real-world data can change and models may need to adapt to new patterns or conditions. Key aspects of model evolutions like retraining, in which models are periodically retrained with new data to ensure they reflect recent trends and patterns. Hyperparameter tuning, the process of adjusting models settings like learning rate, number of layers, etc. to improve performance. Performance monitoring, regularly tracking model performance or model performance using metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, or F1 score to detect issues and ensure it remains effective. The third one is model integration. Let's discuss about model integration. So, model integration involves embedding a model into a production system or application where it can make real-time predictions or be used for decision making. By deployment, once the model is trained and tested, it's deployed into a live environment. API integrations, often models are exposed through APIs that allows other systems to interact with the model and request predictions. Now, continuous learning. Some systems are designed to continuously learning from new data or feedback to improve the model in real time. Now, let's discuss about demonstration in R estimating learning regression model. Importing required libraries. So we are importing here required libraries, load and prepare a data. So we are loading and preparing a data here and then split the data into training and test sets. So yes, we split the data and create a table model, then make predictions and evaluate the model. Now in Python, importing feature selection tools. Here, importing a feature selection tools, applying resource recursive features elements which are RFE here. Step 3, train the model with select or selected features where we are training a model with select and selected features. Also in R, we are using this and in we are calling a library called mass. We are creating a data which is this and then estimating a prediction. Now, conclusion and key takeaway. Integration. It is a powerful tool. Understanding relationships between variables and data-driven decisions. It is a predictive path. So, I wish you like the video and understand this video. So, let's end this video here. Have a good day.